Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to reassemble the grinder back into place, and we also check around a couple of things in the machine, and so far the machine has been doing great. Like we were able to grind some good coffee in here with different grind settings as well. We already calibrated the machine, so let's just put out a shot. The reason the machine was broke is because there was no pressure in the gauge in here, so whenever you were doing coffee it was not moving at all. So let's just test it out. I'm gonna tamper with just one hand. There you go. And now we're gonna do an espresso shot. A double shot. As you can see, the espresso range goes all the way up, and we still got some more room to put it more finer as well. But you can see it's even really great crema in there. It's just looking amazing. Excellent shot of espresso. This is the previous ones that we have made as well, testing the machine, and this is one of the ones that we made. Hot water for this machine is pretty nice as well. Nice steady stream coming out of the hot water one, and the steam of the machine as well is working perfectly fine. But let's just wait for the thermoblock to get up to pressure so we can see the steam coming out of the steamer one. Once it gets up to temperature, we're gonna see the water pump is gonna start pulsating, and it's gonna send water to the thermoblock and into 3-way sauna bar and into the one, as you can see right now. As it gets hotter and hotter, we can see more pressure building up inside the one until we have a nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Maybe. As you can see, the machine is working perfectly fine and working great. We are best to put the grinder back together and to check it. Hopefully we can other places. We cannot get the part, but they are best to put it all back together and make the machine work. So there you have it, Breville pressurizing and doing a great espresso shot. You see over there with a good crema. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.